There are some tools used for data security. Numerous tools and solutions are available to enhance data security and protect against various cyber threats. The choice of tools may depend on the specific needs and environment of an organization. Here is a list of common data security tools across different categories. Antivirus and anti-malware software. Examples: McAfee, Symantec, Kaspersky, Bitdefender, Windows Defender. Firewalls. Examples: Cisco Firepower, Palo Alto Networks, Checkpoint, Fortinet, pfSense, open source. Intrusion detection systems and intrusion prevention systems. Examples: Snort, open source, Siricarter, open source, Cisco Firepower, Splunk. Encryption tools. Examples: VeraCrypt, BitLocker, OpenSSL, Semantic Endpoint Encryption. Endpoint protection. Examples: CrowdStrike, Carbon Black, SentinelOne, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Security information and event management. Examples: Splunk, IBM QRadar, LogRhythm, ArcSight, Elastic Security Information and Event Management. Data loss prevention. Examples: Symantec DLP, McAfee Data Loss Prevention, Digital Guardian, ForcePoint DLP. Identity and access management. Examples: Okta, Microsoft Azure Active Directory, Ping Identity, OneLogin. Multi-factor authentication. Examples: Duo Security, Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, RSA SecID. Web application firewalls. Examples: Imperver, Mod Security, open source, Akamai Conner Site Defender, Cloudflare WAF. Vulnerability scanners. Examples: Nessus, Qualys, OpenVAS, Rapid7 Insight VM. Network security scanners. Examples: Nmap, open source, Wireshark, Nexpose, SolarWinds Network Configuration Manager. Backup and recovery solutions. Examples: Veeam, Acronis, Commvault, Backup Exec. Security awareness training platforms. Examples: KnowBe4, Proofpoint Security Awareness Training, Kafens, formerly PhishMe. Mobile device management and mobile security. Examples: Mobile Ion, VMware Workspace, Microsoft Intune, Sophos Mobile Security. Cloud security platforms. Examples: Cloudflare, AWS Security Hub, Microsoft Azure Security Center, Palo Alto Networks Prisma Cloud. Incident response and forensic tools. Examples: Encase, FireEye Endpoint Security, Sans Sift, open source, Splunk Phantom. File integrity monitoring. Examples: Tripwire, RSec, SolarWinds Security Event Manager, AID, open source. Compliance management solutions. Examples: Qualys Policy Compliance, Tripwire Enterprise, Manage Engine Compliance Management. Patch management tools. Examples: Microsoft WSUS, SolarWinds Patch Manager, Avanti Patch for Windows. It's important to note that the effectiveness of these tools depends on how well they are configured, maintained, and integrated into an organization's overall cybersecurity strategy. Additionally, organizations should regularly update and test their security tools to address emerging threats and vulnerabilities.